if you don't like to read, you haven't found the right book. J.K. Rowling. Self-help books are amazing. You may have come across hundreds of self-help books. Some of them give us various incredible insights. So here is a list of 5 best self-help books of all times which will change your life in 2020. Man's Search for Meaning. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Viktor E. Frankl. Man's Search for Meaning is a masterpiece by Viktor Frankl. The book has been translated into 24 languages and sold over 10 million copies. According to a survey conducted by various book clubs and organizations, Man's Search for Meaning belongs to the list of the 10 most influential books in the United States. This book records the author's experiences as a prisoner in the Auschwitz concentration camp during the time of World War II and describes the methods he used to survive his imprisonment while his parents, brother, and pregnant wife passed away. The author proclaims that we cannot avoid suffering, but we can choose how we respond to it, and we can use our experience to move forward with a new purpose. How to win friends and influence people. It isn't what you have or who you are or where you are or what you are doing that makes you happy or unhappy. It is what you think about it. Dale Carnegie. How to Win Friends and Influence People was written by Dale Carnegie in the year 1936. It has been sold over 15 million copies worldwide, which makes it one of the best-selling self-help books of all time. In the year 2011, it was number 19 on Time magazine's list of the 100 most influential books of all time, proving that this book is as effective now as it was before. The book will teach you how to improve your social and communication skills, which will not only make you likable, but also successful at the same time. Think and Grow Rich. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, direct, and control your environment. You can make your life what you want it to be. Napoleon Hill. Think and Grow Rich is another amazing self-help written by Napoleon Hill, and it's regarded as one of the best personal and self-improvement books of all time. From its inception, it has sold more than 100 million copies worldwide and remained a top-selling book as per the Business Week magazine. A must-read book for everyone. Don't let the title fool you. While a lot of the text inside this book is related to becoming rich, but it can help you succeed in any line of work and to become anything you can imagine. Think and Grow Rich is one of the most influential self-help books ever written, and it has changed the lives of millions of people, and we hope that it will change yours too. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. The successful person has the habit of doing the things failures don't like to do. He observed, they don't like doing them either necessarily, but their disliking is subordinated to the strength of their purpose. Stephen R. Covey. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is another masterpiece by Stephen Covey in 1989. And since then, the book has sold more than 25 million copies worldwide. Even the audio version of the book became the first non-fiction audiobook to sell more than 1 million copies. In this book, Covey claims against what he calls the personality ethic, found in many self-improvement books, and then he promotes what he calls the character ethic, set one's value with the universal and timeless principles. The book implies that your values govern your behavior, while your principles determine the consequences. Covey explains his teachings in a series of 7 habits, progressing from dependence through independence on to interdependence. This book can help you change your habits with the powerful lessons contained in this book. As a man thinketh. A man is literally what he thinks, his character being the complete sum of all his thoughts. James Allen. On the last of our list is a book called As a Man Thinketh, written by James Allen and published in the year of 1903. And it has been a very popular self-help book ever since. In this classic self-help book of positive thinking, the author explains how each of us shapes the event around us and creates our own lives of abundance. Allen claims that the key to mastering your life is to utilize the power of your thoughts, which will help you to develop into a positive and successful person. As a Man Thinketh is full of wisdom and is a must-read book for everyone. That was the list of 5 best self-help books of all time. Of course, the best thing that you can do for yourself is read them all, but we suggest that you should start with one. So pick one now and read another one each month of 2020. And while we are in this pandemic, just believe in yourself a little more. Trust me, it will all be over and we will all prove victorious fighting against this deadly virus. Stay tuned for Explify to keep yourself entertained, informed, and a whole lot of knowledge coming your way.